This is the broken.
Okay, we're having an awesome plane. Okay, okay, talk about these planes.
These are our planes that we have in the office for no particular reason, except for that we can now compete to see who is the best balsa wood plane thrower.
Okay.
So,
hang on, wait, I want to go so you're...
broken.
Okay. It is broken, but I'm going to go over here so you're throwing it.
And it's shorter.
Da, da, da. Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
On 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh!
Wait, okay, switch.
Oh, we're switching.
We're switching.
It's Friday night, by the way, so this is okay.
You had a guess. And the boss is nodding. Alright, I'm ready. 1, 2, 3.
Guys, really? They didn't even make it past the little...
Mine got stuck on my finger. Hold on.
Sure, okay.
Okay. My wings are off center. 1.
Wait.
Oh.
Oh, God.
1, 2, 3.
Wow, okay. No, don't move it. Close up on that. What happened?
I don't know. Angela's the winner.
Oh.
And Jamie is the loser.
Face of success.
It's really
That's
broken.
really sad.